Welcome to the short video I promised to a guy who was trying to sell Sony KSS-151A lasers for $350 a pop. He scored at an auction of old community radio a couple of Tascam CD601 units. And he removed the lasers and was trying to sell them for $350. Well, I would never pay that much money for that laser, but if I was desperate, I certainly wouldn't buy one that somebody who is not technical removed. Might have been blown or something. The correct way of doing it is this. You first show the sticker on it, and I don't know if it will focus or not, but the last line says H528. It means that at factory it used 52.8 milliamps of current. And this laser is good until it uses no more than 62.8 amps, milliamps that is. That is 10 milliamps more than at the factory. So what we do here, my friends, we start a CD and we start playing. Okay, hit play, and on the meter we have 1.147. So if we put 1.147 and divided by 22 ohms, because we are measuring this across the 22 ohm resistor there, your grand total now is 52.1. As we remember, it said on the head that's 52.8 at the factory. So now, after perhaps 30 years in service, it uses less current than when it was new. So obviously the circuitry is so good that it actually uses less than it's supposed to, and that's, you know, it has, you know, full 100% of its life left ahead of it. And you know, does it work? Here you go. We go to track 5. Well, took a bit of time. Let's see how it goes further. 9 goes straight away. 4 straight away. Let's go to 13. Play straight away. So now you know that the laser is good, it's got life in it, and because it has a serial number on it, you know if you buy that laser that this is, you know, quality, that it works, reads, seeks fast. So there's no point of removing one, you know, and then trying to sell it for big money, because nobody would ever buy it, because nobody knows if it's any good. You have to first get the player going and then try to sell it for parts if you don't believe you can sell the player for that much. And also goes to George, who believes that, my great friend George, who doesn't believe that lasers do not wear out. That's all, folks, and bye for now.